Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm going to show you now how to create a new notebook here in Notebook LM, how to add at least one resource to it, and then I'll give you kind of a tour of the interface so you know what's in here and what you can do with the resources that you upload. To get started, I'm going to click on the Create New Notebook button here on the screen. When I do, it changes and it asks, what is it you want to work with? What are you wanting to add here? I happen to have a file on the desktop of my computer that I'd like to use, and it is that same file that I used previously. There it is. And that was the GDPR documentation from the EU. I spend a lot of time working with and talking about and thinking about that sort of thing. My screen is now changed, and you can see on the left side of my screen an area with the word sources there at the top. You can see that I've added a single source, and that's this PDF file with this long, interesting name. You can see that there is a box here where I could search the web for sources. So I could search for websites or things that I have in my Google Drive. I can also click on this Add Source button and upload additional files. Down the middle of my screen, that's the chat area. This is where, in kind of a Google Gemini-like interface, the notebook has already given me a summary of the document I've uploaded. I have a box down here in which I could type a question or a command, or even some buttons with some suggestions. Based on the content that I've put there, here are 2 questions that I could simply click on and it would answer. Then to the right, I have a studio area with some very colorful buttons. One will make an audio overview of the text that I've uploaded. Video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographic, and slide deck. Those are all very different things, and I will encourage you to explore those in our next activity. And then the output based on what I click will be stored there. I'm going to end this video just having shown you how to create a new notebook, excuse me, and put a resource in it. And then I'll come back and show you what you can do with that resource. So there'll be 2 videos here for you to look at.